Welcome back. It's another episode in the kitchen. You don't know, this episode we have some oxtail. Nice and wash, fresh, clean. We have some oxtail. So now we're gonna prepare it. And we're gonna put a little dry seasoning, some seasoned salt. Put a little seasoned salt on the oxtail. A little oxtail spice. Put a little oxtail spice, a little all-purpose in the kitchen style. And we have some all-purpose pimento seed. Put a little pimento seed, some fresh thyme. We have a little fresh thyme. And we have some onions, well prepared, nice and clean in the kitchen style. We have a little hot pepper, country pepper, green. A little pepper on the oxtail, some scallion, some fresh garlic. As you can see, we have some fresh garlic here. I'm gonna put like enough garlic on my oxtail, make it nice and soft, tender. Enough fresh garlic. Put some fresh garlic on it, some scallion, some bell pepper and thing. And we have a little soya sauce. Just to give it a little coloring. Not too, sprinkle a little soya sauce. And then we're gonna give it a little stir. Give it a little stir, mix up the seasoning. Nice in the kitchen style, oxtail. We have some fresh coconut. Make some rice and peas. As you can see, season up the meat. Nice. It's my beautiful people. As you can see, the oxtail ready. Now I'm gonna put in the pot. I'm gonna start to brown. So I'm gonna put in the pot. No seasoning. Oxtail browning. So I'm gonna put the oxtail to brown a little bit. I make it go and brown. As you can see, now I'm gonna break my coconut. I show you, I'm going to drink up coconut water, good for you. YouTuber always remember, coconut water good for you. Don't throw it away. Oh man, this one nice and sweet. Now I'm gonna ox the coconut. As you can see, I'm oxing the coconut. I don't use a sharp knife, I use a bread knife, so I don't cut myself. And this, I forgot upon the red peas, coconut, rice and peas, oxtail, in the kitchen style. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Now my coconut finish ox, I go wash them off, nice and clean, in the kitchen like it nice and clean style. Oxtail a bubble down nice and easy. Not cut up nice. We're going to blend him after. We just get him ready. Show you the oxtail. I go and brown down nice. Give it one stir. So expect some color. Make the oxtail nice and brown and pretty. Nice and pretty. Make him go and brown down. Yes, massive. So now we're going to look at pimento seed to the peas. Add some salt and some fresh garlic. Now we'll make the peas go and bubble up. Put a little 2 pieces of scallion from now, a little piece. Make it go and boil with the peas, like season up my peas. As you can see, coconut milk done blend. Just make the peas go and catch a little bit. So we'll make that go and boil now. And then we're going to get back when we put in the coconut milk and we'll rice. Put a little country pepper, scallion, thyme, coconut milk, peas, still a bubble long nice, simmering. You know oxtail take a while. Peas ready, coconut milk, nice. Now I'm going to add my rice. My rice wash, nice and clean. Oxtail, nice and simmering. Let me give you a little close-up look. Take the hot pot to the camera in the kitchen style. Oxtail, well nice. So now I'm going to add my rice. Give my rice a 1 stir. Mix up my peas them. Nice. And now my rice and peas. Yeah. In the kitchen style. These were a little piece of the scallion. Make them two go and boil and simmer down on top in the kitchen style. Yes, my beautiful people, as you can see. Nice shelly rice and peas. I'm going to get a 1 fork now. Fluff it up. Just like that. Nice and shelly fluffy. See how my flow? Nice, fluffy. Yes, my beautiful people. My beautiful people. Not too much stir, you see it now. But nice, fluff up. Rice and peas. Beautiful people. In the kitchen style. Like, share, subscribe.